Skill Breaker 101 with another episode of Pokemon Sapphire. And you're wondering, I just done it straight after my last episode. I know. And I've got Rock Smash, so I'm going to teach it to someone. Teams and teams. Where is it? Rock Smash. YouTuber. It contains Rock Smash. Yes. I'm gonna teach. Oh, it even says the egg's not able. I'll give it to Zigzag. Rock Smash, however, Zigzag will do those 4 moves. Should a move be deleted and replaced with Rock Smash? Yes. Which move should be forgotten? It's quite obvious. Tackle. 1, 2 in there. Boop. We learned Rock Smash. Yay. Look. Now, guys, I'm able to go over here. I thought those are the Rock Smash. Let's Rock Smash. Yes. Zigzagoos Rock Smash. Rock Smash. Down. Where am I going now? Guys, where am I going now? What? Who are these two? Oh, we've just put a tough looking trainer here of all places. Okay, roll camera, let's get into this interview. What? Oh, okay. I just destroyed him. Whismar. Why Whismar? I don't want Whismar. Blaziken and Poochyena. Okay, double kick this and bite this. Double kick, 1 kick. Okay. Okay, let's bite it. Bite. Come on, Poochyena. Bite. Poochyena, use bite. Okay. Whismar's flinched. Double kick. And Pokemon. And to switch out to, you guessed it, the level 15 Zigzagoon or Sableye. Let's go to Zigzagoon. Let's go Zigzagoon. Let's double kick 1. Okay, there was no point. It's super effective. Hit 1 time. Okay. Blaziken gain 45, Poochyena gain 183, Zigzagoon gain 45. Okay, my eyes didn't lie. I discovered astonishing trainer. Oh, I never knew that was us. Awesome, who are you? I knew you were onto something while I spotted you. But please let me explain. We travel around everyone interviewing all sorts of trainers. So will you give us a bit of your time for an interview? Guess so. You will, thank you. Okay, I need you to describe your feelings about our battle, but it has to short and sweet go. Word that describes okay, let's type okay. How do I do it then? Okay. Please enter a phrase word. Okay. Please enter a phrase word. How do I do that then? Greetings. Game over. Find word that describe your feeling right now. Okay. Feelings. Let's make it right. The answer is shown. Okay, yes. Yeah, that's the perfect nature. I get feeling that this will make a great TV show. There's a chance that they air this on TV, so make sure we'll be seeing you. Wait, who's this person? I don't know where you're going, but would you like to battle? Art me. Doesn't mean I get straight into the battle. Okay. I want Sableye out. Wait, I want Sableye out. So I'll just end this. Is it about to use now? Yes. The Sableye. My old buddy. Come back, Sableye. Yay. Mario, okay. He's Nightshade. He's roll out. Oh no, it's gonna do a lot. Oh, critical. That means it didn't. We're not gonna do a lot. Let's astonish it. Astonish. Oh, astonish is not bad. A critical. Stop hitting criticals on me. Okay, looks like Nightshade does most. Okay. Stop it. I think that's the only move he has. Don't say it's a critical. Okay, let's see. Sableye. Finish it. Okay, Poochie, and I gave 101. Sableye gave 101. Okay, guys, I know what I'm gonna do now. So it seems that let me go and start bag berries. I hold him that he's poison in the button. That was just take the HP use on you. Okay. Key items. Okay. Now, one of my Pokemon has this, and I don't want it to. Item. Give me my oh, take. Receive the XP share from Puchiana. I'll give it to Zigzagoon. Item. Give. XP share. Zigzagoon is already holding the super potion. Would you like to switch the two items? Yes. So here's the teaching when I replace it to XP share. Now Sableye. Item. Give. XP share. Super potion. Sableye was given the super potion to hold. Now I want to use it on him. Okay, bag. Super potion. Use on Sableye. Okay. 16. Okay. Let's get out of here. Hey. Should have known fun. I'm full of pep and my Pokemon is peppy too. I don't know what that means, but okay. This guy wants to do the whip, but okay. I know well about him. I want to switch out to Sableye. Because Sableye, you see, he is doing very good. Oh my god, who dies? I think Ember's going to it. So let's try Ember. I have not been uploading videos in a long time. Where's the game? No, 6-second game. Okay. Now I can give it to Sableye. Zigzagoon's level 16. Now let me give it to Sableye. So bag. No, Pokemon. But I'll keep it to Sableye. I'll keep it. Okay, pass this item. I'll take something from you. See if the XP chef can fix it. Okay, I'll just give it to Sableye. I'm gonna give him something else. So even though Sableye's already holding something, Sableye is already holding something. Super. Yes. Super Potion was taken and replaced with XP share. Yay. Okay, done that. Ooh, nice route over here. Try to dodge that trainer. No, I'm sure I won't cry if I lose. Okay. That gave me a clue as one Pokemon. Ah. Okay, Zigzagoon. Go Blazer Chicken. I want you to evolve this episode. Get that, okay? Thank you. Oh, already KO'd. I want you to evolve Combuskin. 115. 100. Okay, you're gonna keep it, Sableye. Would you change Pokemon? Yes. To Putriana. I haven't used this guy in a long time. Nuzleaf. Okay, I'll use Bite. And let me sand attack it. Okay. Okay. You're blind. Now, Pokemon, switch out to Combustion. That's enough. Combat. Go Blazer Chicken. Use nature power to turn into Swift. Swift. Ooh, yeah. So, let's double kick it. Oh, I should have used Ember. It doesn't matter. Okay. Nuzleaf fainted. As you can gain 120 back. But I'm gonna say that. I want you to get to level 20. Now. Okay. I want to see what's this way. So this is another way just to meet more trainers. Okay. I want to catch a Snorlax in this series, guys. So I'm gonna go in there. Okay. Sent. Taylor. Okay. Okay, I'll see you. I will send up a double kick. What? Why did I use Peck? Okay, I'll just use Peck again to finish it. Peck. I'm just gonna use Peck. Anyway, I still used it though. Is it about to slumber? Did you change Pokemon? No. No, I'm just gonna keep Blaziken in here. Even though it's not Blaziken, it's just Combuskin. I'm gonna double click this. One click. Okay, this is just gonna knock it out. A critical. Okay. Now, I wanna see what's up there. So we're like level 17. He's trying to learn Fury Swipes. The same I can't learn more than 4 moves. You really need to make space for Fury Swipes. Yes, let's see what moves. Rake the foe sharp claws 2 to 5 times. Okay. So Force Light negates a foe effort. Nope, add only frightened to foe. I'm gonna go get rid of Force Light. And plus it's a main one. So got Force Light and learn Fury Swipes. They defeated Picnic Carol. Oh, you're strong. Okay. Oh wait. First let's go into here. I'm gonna catch something. Nope. Oh, I'm not catching that. I'm just not catching that. Unacceptable. I'm not catching that. If you want it, go in this bush. Was it gonna be zombie number? Okay. Okay, it seems there's only nubbles in this place. I'm just gonna say this. So I'm just gonna run from this. Dun, 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 dun. Hey, I didn't mean that. Oh. This guy wants to give us. Oh, it's a trainer. They're not buckle easy, my friend. Oh my god. How much battles will I do in episodes? Okay, Geodude. Geodude, let's go, Geodude. Okay, double kick. Okay, hit one time. Dun, 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 dun. He's about to use. He only has Geodudes. No. I want Sableye to get to level 20. Look how much Pokemon he has. Okay. I look at map. Okay. Let's just like this. Because I know if you peck at rocks, your beacon's gonna hurt. So I would not do that myself. So. Okay, 147. 147. It's about to use Geodude. Yes! I'll switch out to 16, 16, 17. Wizma! Okay. So, Geodude. Fight. Shockwave. Shockwave. Oh no! No effect! That sucks. Okay, Upra. Okay, I won't use Upra. No. No, don't cause an Upra. Don't cause an Upra. It's good. Electricity power was weakened. This one's making an Upra. Use the Upra. Okay, I need to switch out. No! I told you, Wizma. Don't do an Upra. No! Don't stop using the Wizmas. Oh my god, you're still making an Upra while you're at no life. Mamma mia! Eh? What is this? Ah. Okay. Let's switch out. I don't want to lose any more Pokemon. Come Blaze again. Okay. Let's double kick this. What is you kick a rock that would really hurt. So I don't know why Pokemon made that. Dun. Say unlock his last Geodude. I ain't switching out. His last Geodude! Okay, let's just double kick this. 1 and 2. Okay, I'm gonna go in this cave or whatever and catch some groundhogs or whatever. Sableye's level 18. Okay, I know that the ones I've enabled. I'm gonna go in that cave. Let's go in that cave. We're in it. Ooh, damn. Okay. I hope I don't. Please don't tell me there's only nubbles in this route, because I will be so sad. Because I will never catch one of these even though you're fire. And I do like fire types. I'm not gonna go too far. No, let's just entrance. Oh my god, I don't like you, Nubbles. Well, as you would just leave me alone, I would appreciate it. Now, let me see what this takes me. Oh my god, I need to repel. I'm still not catching that. I am still not catching it. That looks like a blob of slime. No, that looks like a blob of slime. Okay, do it this way. Quick. What? So, guys, let me test something. So, I'm gonna go. Wait, I wanna go out of here. So then as I go out of here, then as I go out of here, then I go up. What? It's impossible to keep going. Oh my god. Oh, wait, I know what to do. Oh, it won't let me go there, so I have to go through that way. Okay, guys, okay. Let us go back to that cave. Let us go back to that cave. Oh, Team Aqua! Oh, I didn't want to battle you. No, why's Team Aqua there? No. It's unacceptable. Okay, but I have to battle the things I can in this series, so might as well. Double pick this. Why do people catch this? It just has another angle. And I already have a new someone that has a number. Get to level 40. Machamp. No, I'm not changing it. I'm gonna have to use Ember. So Machamp. I ain't using that. I use Ember. Okay. Come on. Yay. I lost my Come on. So. Oh my god. Hey. Grumble. I like to ride a cabbage. Okay, it seems like I can't go there yet. I'll just go somewhere else. I'll go to that rock. Where's that rock that awaits me? Okay. I'm not gonna... Oh, no, actually. Oh, there's lots of fire types here. But they're sluggish. Oh, hell no. Okay. It's a big boulder, but a Pokemon may be able to push it aside. Oh. I'll just ignore that. Okay, let's go this way. So. No. Ow, ow, ow. Guys, I'm going this way. No! Stop going there. I'm gonna actually legit try to get a good Pokemon around. Ooh, I might collect those. Ooh. What is this? What is it? For the love of God. I'm gonna just fight to get this guy to level 30 to make him Veskin level 30. So, to make him level 30. Because even 1 HP can get in there. Okay, he's level 30. I feel like game for 94. Okay. It better not be a normal again. Okay, it's always gonna be those. I'm not even gonna bother to fight this one. I'm just gonna run away from it. I'm not even gonna bother. Okay, let's just collect all these. Yes. Put them in the bag. So return this. I don't like when it says that because I have to wait. Okay. Yes. I picked them up. Yay. I'm gonna pick up all of these. Okay. Yes. Yes. I'm going to my dinner. And no mistake. There's 2 raw there. Yes. Yay. Instinct. Okay. I don't think it's a good idea to run here. Yay! Okay, guys, I'm gonna end the episode here. I will break your jaw.